Hey guys, as a music producer or a fan of music, you know how tough it can be to turn those ideas in your head into real tracks. You've got the melodies, but the tools? They're complicated, take forever, and can get overwhelming fast. Hours of tweaking, struggling with plugins, and still not getting the sound you want? Frustrating, right? But what if you could skip all that? What if there was a tool that helped you create music without all the hassle, so you could focus on the fun part? Being creative. Imagine if I could take your ideas and turn them into pro-level tracks without all the technical stuff slowing you down. That's where tad.ai comes in. Tad.ai is built to help you create music quickly and easily. With advanced AI, it generates high-quality music based on your style, whether it's a specific genre, mood, or vibe you're going for. Without further ado, let's dive into explore tad.ai. Go to Google and search tad.ai and press enter. Click on the first link, which will direct you to homepage of tad.ai. Tad.ai unleashes infinite music possibilities and allows you to create original songs with your choice of genres and moods using text prompts. You can create custom music within minutes. All of this without worrying about copyright infringement. You can choose from a diverse range of genres, including pop, rock, folk, or electronic, and select the mood that fits your project. Tad.ai uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence to generate lyrics in just one click. Go to the top of the website and click Generate AI Songs for free. You can create song in just simple steps. First, enter song title, then lyrics of the song, or you can generate the lyrics of the song using the built-in AI feature. Now I will enter song title. For the demo, I will write Earth as title. You can write anything you want the title to be. I have pasted a pre-generated lyrics. You can also generate lyrics of your choice using the AI feature. Click on Create and it will ask you to sign in or sign up to generate the song. I will sign up using my Google account. Now wait, as tad.ai will take some time to generate song for you. It has generated 2 versions of the same song. I will play the second song for the demo purpose.
Mountains kiss the tide, whispers in the forest breeze, paint the earth with quiet ease.
Now let's play the first version and compare both the songs.
Underneath the sky so wide, where the mountains kiss the tide, whispers in the forest breeze, paint the earth with quiet ease.
Using the Advanced Features option, you can select the genre and mood of the song of your choice. It offers multiple genres and mood to choose from. I will select pop as the genre and relaxing as the mood of the song, and click on Create to generate 2 different versions of the same lyrics. Now let's play the first version and compare both the songs.
Underneath the sky so wide, where the mountains kiss the tide, whispers in the forest breeze, paint the earth with quiet ease.
Now click on the share button and you can copy the link and share it to any social platform of your choice. You can share the song on X, formerly Twitter, Facebook, and click on download to save the song on your computer.
Underneath the sky so wide, where the mountains kiss the tide, whispers in the forest breeze, paint the earth with quiet ease.
The link to the website is included in the description. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how you've used this incredible tool. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest updates on AI tools and trends.